Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Tuesday, the 18th of July. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let us have a look at what's happened yesterday. Well, numbers came in pretty much on forecast for China with GDP at 6.9%, industrial a little bit higher at 7.6%. It did not have a great impact on our Aussie dollar. And actually, our Aussie dollar dropped a little yesterday, perhaps more from profit taking more than anything else in anticipation of the monetary meeting minutes that are due to come out soon. Okay, so that's from China. There was a little bit more action in New Zealand this morning. Early this morning, the CPI numbers missed the mark by quite some margin, and incidentally, the Kiwi dropped sharply. I just wanted to talk a little bit about our trading challenge trade got triggered, and my stop sell entry, which was at the break of 73.10, was actually slipped around about 13 pips. Now, this can actually happen in volatile markets where there are much more sellers than buyers, or vice versa. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. So if I just bring up my Kiwi dollar chart, it's a daily. What we were trying to trade was the inside candles in this area over here. So the original entry was at the break of the blue candle, which I'm pointing at right now. Now, however, yesterday we didn't trigger into the trade. We placed this trade yesterday. So yesterday we produced another inside candle, which basically meant we needed to move our entry to the break of this candle now. And if you got a correct entry, then basically we're looking at a sell stop into the market, and the trade would have looked a little bit like this, where you would have had your stop up the top, your T1 and your T2. So this is if it all went to plan technical. Now what actually happened was I didn't get that entry, and I got a little bit lower because I got slipped into the trade. Now this does happen, as I said, in volatile markets when there are many more I guess people that want to go in one direction than the other direction. If everybody wants to sell but nobody wants to buy from you, well, then not every seller will get the price that they want. So if you need more understanding on that, get in contact with us. I can then send you some specifically made videos on that topic. But nevertheless, the point that I want to make is this: do not move your T1 and your T2. Keep them at the original levels, because that's what the trade technically did. I know it does change your risk reward ratio, but there you have it. So we're in this one. This is a trading challenge trade. We got triggered this morning. Okay, it is now time to have a look at our chart of the day. And the chart of the day today is the Euro Yen. And this is another case. Now you can see my orders already in the market on this particular chart, where we've produced, we're definitely in trend. Okay, we've come down, we've produced an inside candle, we've produced another inside candle, so we've just adjusted that entry to the break, or the little one that I'm pointing at, and if we break, we're triggered, and we would be long on this one. So there you go, that's our chart of the day, Euro Yen on a daily time frame. Okay, let us have a look at what's happening in the session that is about to unfold. We have at 11:30 those monetary policy meeting minutes, so look out, any Aussie dollar traders. There could be a little bit of volatility heading our way. At 6:30 this evening from the UK, we have CPI numbers, and at 11:30 also from the UK, we have Governor Carney speaking. So there you have it. That's all that's happening in today's session, the highlights. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.